It is easy, sis. This is an easy wig. This is low maintenance, very low maintenance. And you good to go. Your hair is on. Good morning, welcome back to my channel. So you guys, I am getting myself ready for today, and because I'm tired of looking like a bum, okay? And I just wanted to come on here and show y'all my new everyday unit when I don't feel like doing my hair. I just need something to quickly throw on. This unit is from, sorry, I got glue from my lashes. This unit is from Nadula Hair. This is one of their new and approved units, and when I tell y'all, this is the best closure unit. It's not that it's the closure part, it's the drawstring part, you guys. So a lot of companies, I'm gonna talk and fix my hair, y'all, because I'm about to fix it. A lot of companies always say like their units are glueless, their units are glueless. But I always say, I need to add a little glue, because by the end of the day, my wig be in the back of my head. This wig has a drawstring on it. So you guys remember back in the days when we had like a drawstring ponytail, you'll put the comb and then put the drawstring ponytail on, and your ponytail is not going anywhere. This is how this wig is. It has a drawstring in the back. So you can tighten it as tight as you want, girl, and I just love that feature. I feel like I even want my regular wigs, my frontal wigs, to come with a drawstring on it. Like, that is so cool. Okay, so I wanted to take the unit out just so you guys can see how the unit would look if you just wake up and you're getting ready for work, because I feel like I can't really explain to you guys with it on my head. So it comes with this little drawstring right here to tighten the wig up, which I think is an amazing idea. It also comes with the strap here to make sure that your wig is nice and secured, and it also comes with like the bra looking hooks right here. So I just put it on the tightest one because I love my units to be kind of tight on my head, because I don't really have, I have kind of like a narrow head, so I just like my units to be tight. So all I do is just flip it over like this, flip everything like that. So I put it on my head like this, guys. Quick, just say I have to go to work or I have to go to somebody's birthday dinner or something, then I pull the unit down. It's nice and tight, y'all. It's so tight on my head, which is a good thing, right? So now it should look like this. Then all I do is I flip it down and then I pull it back, because you don't want it to be on your forehead too much, because then that look crazy. You sit it how you want it. Make sure that your ears are out of the wig. Give a nice comb. Y'all, sorry, my nose running. Nice comb through. Like, girl, your hair is on and it's done. It's easy. I know a lot of y'all be like, Bree, you make it look so easy. And that's it, guys. That's basically it. This hair is so convenient. It's so easy. Just run and go. Okay, this is your, oh my gosh, let me throw my wig on type of situation. To do a side part, you definitely can as well. I feel like the side part look even more natural, and you could do a deep side part too, like, but you might have to curve it a little bit. Like so. Side parts are so pretty, y'all. I love a side part on me. It's my favorite. I just feel like side parts just make you look a lot softer. Well, it made me look a lot softer. So I love a good side part. That eats so good. Look how natural my hairline looks. Like, that looks so good. Every time I do a side part or any type of situation, I just take a little mousse. Y'all, you have to take you some mousse. The mousse is gonna help mold the hair flat. Get y'all some, this is the even mousse. This is my favorite mousse to use because it dries really, really quick. Look at that. Girl, if y'all don't get y'all a new work wig, this is your new work wig, okay? This is your new holiday wig. If you're going to any holiday parties, and this wig is super affordable. I think it's like, I don't know, y'all, like 100 and, I don't know. I don't want to get on here and the numbers change, but it's super affordable. It's not like a expensive wig and then you have to really make a huge investment. Girl. Alright guys, so here is the finished look. Yeah, I just really love how effortless this look. I look put together. I look like I actually tried. You can also put on a headband. Y'all know the girls been wearing like the headbands, like the big thick headbands. You could put on that if you want to and do your makeup and you'll still look like that girl. But yeah, just tuck a little piece like that just so it can be out your face. It's cute, it's easy, it's simple. Let's go.
Nadula.